yeah. I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love, still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
Cek tes. Baik, kembali lagi bersama saya. Hari ini saya akan membuat tools-tools yang sering dipakai oleh teknisi komputer apabila Windows tersebut blue screen atau korup. Kemudian download file tersebut dan klik kanan run as administration. Nah, tampilannya akan muncul seperti ini. Untuk membuat file ISO-nya, kalian tinggal klik yang bagian ini, logo CD di pojok kanan atas ini. Klik, pilih lokasinya di sini dan beri nama file master. Nah, terserah file master bebas, terserah mau dikasih nama apa. Setelah itu save dan tunggu programnya sampai finish. Nah, jika proses build-in atau compiler file tadi sudah selesai, klik OK, kemudian silang. Nah, ini adalah file yang tadi di proses besar 3,1 giga ini. Setelah itu bisa langsung digunakan di burn di file flash disk. Saya menggunakan 16 GB. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Oke.